Hey everybody, Gears here, and we're looking at rim number 4 at this moment. It's about 150 grit, somewhere in there, maybe 200. And one of the things I've been lamenting is that I can't find anybody to do a proper polish and buff on these to bring them up to where they need to be. I know that doing the research on YouTube, I've seen that you get a not a sanding wheel, but a power buffer on here, and it makes short work of all this. My main complaint about not doing that myself is the cost of the tools and my inexperience with them. So it'd be a real big learning curve. There's lots of potential to go wrong, to get expensive, and all that. And how many times am I going to use it after these wheels? Well, it turns out, doing some research on Yelp for people who polish cars, for example, my car will need a big polish once all the paint is set. Those can start at $600. And that is so far beyond my budget that the wheels are meaningless at that point, even if I spent $200 on them. So it looks like the tools themselves can be got at Harbor Freight for under $200. It looks like I'm going to be doing all the work myself after all. And yeah, just a lot more work than I was thinking of is all it comes down to. So we'll keep this one short. Looks like I'm buying tools. Thanks for watching. See ya.